Hi everyone, it's Heidi from WTI. Do you expect your skincare products to make a difference? I sure do. This Make a Difference Rejuvenating Hand Treatment by Origins is excellent. It is like luxury in a tube. It gives instant moisturization. And look at the difference when you put it on just one hand. It is so creamy. And the scent can only be described as refreshing and clean, just exactly as you would expect from Origins. I enjoy this treatment so much. I keep it on my nightstand at night. I like to apply it before bed. So if you want to make a difference in the way your hands look and feel, I highly recommend Make a Difference Rejuvenating Hand Treatment by Origins. And that's my point of view.